How to react to messages with any emoji in Signal chat conversations. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to react to messages with any emoji on Signal, firstly open up the Signal application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the chat screen, open up the conversation that contains the message you want to react to. Now go ahead and press and hold the message you want to react, and then a row of emoji reactions will appear. To look for more emoji, tap the three dots and you'll be able to see a list of emojis on your keyboard. Go ahead and search for the emoji you want to use. Tap on your chosen emoji to add it as a reaction to the message. And there you have it. So that's how you successfully react to a Signal message with any emoji. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.